Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Ultimate Shower Brush. It's received 4.6 out of 5 stars. It's an Amazon choice item and over 20,000 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon. Introducing the Ultimate Shower Brush, your new go-to for the perfect clean. This versatile brush features soft bristles on one side for gentle exfoliation, perfect for sensitive skin, while the stiff bristles on the other side offer a deep scrub, removing dead skin cells and invigorating circulation. Whether you need a refreshing cleanse or an intense exfoliation, this brush does it all. Ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, it makes reaching every part of your body a breeze. Elevate your shower routine and feel refreshed from head to toe. It's like a spa day every day. The shower brush is made of durable lotus wood with a handle over 17 inches. It can easily clean the back and legs that hands can't touch. To use, wet the whole body with a shower. Apply appropriate bath solution to the bath brush. Rub the brush with your hands to create a rich foam. Then wash your whole body with the body brush. Shower clean all foam on the body, then rinse the bath brush with water and then dry it. The bath brush long handle for shower can clean pores and exfoliate, removing dirt and dead skin in your pores, excess oil, and residue to make your skin healthier. It's also been proven to reduce cellulite, so the body brush can massage the skin, soften the fat deposits under the skin, and help reduce the appearance of fat mass, making the skin softer and smoother. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.